name? Jerry?
Jerry.
Here we are, Jerry. This is your house at 742 Sonora Avenue. There's a cleanout on the side of the yard. People can't get down there and take a look and see what's going on. That's going up to the house, huh? How's this look? This is going back towards the house. Oh, there's some roots. A little bit. Does this come out the back and go all the way to the front, Joe?
Yeah, more roots.
Yeah. Wow. Which way do you have the snake? You might have to
Flush the toilet.
Yeah. Shit. Yeah, we're actually going back towards the away from the street. It's a two-way cleanout on the side. Looks like it's traveling up alongside the back of the house here a little bit. But you got a big, nasty, see those roots right there? Going in. Big, nasty clog right there. So he's going to flush the toilet, see if we can't get that to come out. There she comes. You don't want to go by it, Joe. Pretty good little root sock in there. Floating.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean?
Big time.
The water's coming by in the toilet paper. I cannot go past right here.
Wanna locate that?
Yeah. We'll locate the spot.